Mm. Mm. So yummy and lami kaayo mga bay. Hello mga bay and welcome back to our channel. Ngayon ay long weekend dito sa Ontario and we thought of making chicken pesto pasta. And we would like to share to you how to make a simple and delicious chicken pesto pasta right at the comfort of your home. So we have here a very simple ingredients that you can easily find in your kitchen. And I'm gonna be using this chicken that was left over yesterday and 5 cloves of garlic, cherry tomato, 1 piece of bell pepper, and virgin olive oil, and I have Parmesan cheese, and of course the pasta. I'm gonna be using this PM pesto sauce inspired by Italian. So we have to wait for the water to boil and put this pasta together with salt and the olive virgin oil. Okay, so while waiting for the pasta, we have to prepare and slice the garlic into small pieces. So, we're going to slice the bell pepper. I'm not gonna use the whole bell pepper, I only use half of it. So make sure the seeds are off. So this time put the salt and olive oil. Just to make sure na hindi lalapot yung pasta. So, time for pasta. So while waiting for the pasta, we would like to greet all the family a happy family day on Monday. Kaya kami walang pasok, kaya kami may long weekend. Enjoy guys! And also, bukas nga pala ay Valentine's Day. Kaway-kaway naman sa mga nagmamahalan dyan. Hello nga pala sa mga friends ko sa Pilipinas, sa mga kaklase ko dati sa Calamba National Comprehensive High School, yung mga kaklase ko sa CSMIT, hello! At saka yung mama ko pala mag-birthday on 16. Hi ma! Happy birthday! Kung mag-alala, papansin tayo. Ingat na lagi dyan at we love you. Tingnan na ngayon natin kung okay na yung pasta. Watch out guys, pag nagluluto, wag mag-cellphone. So, nasa mga 2 minutes na lang okay na siya. So, check na natin mga bay, mukhang okay na siya. So, what I did, ayan. Once it break, pag naputol na siya, yan, okay na siya. Okay, so papatayin na natin. And ilalagay na natin siya sa strainer. Yan. We're going to saute the garlic, tomato, and the bell pepper. So we're making sauce na mga bay. Bell pepper. Natin. And then yung cherry tomato. Yan yung nagpapasarap. So shake mo siya before mo ilagay. So this is now our pesto sauce inspired by Italian. See? So magtira ako ng 1/4. Wait for about 3 to 4 minutes and then we can serve our pasta. Put a little bit salt for taste. So me and my husband like a spicy taste, so I'm gonna put a little bit black pepper. So, ang bango na siya. And then, in a minute or 2 minutes, pwede naman na siyang i-mix with the pasta. Time to mix the pasta. And, so mix the pasta. Also have basil at home, you can put basil on it, or you can put thyme. So kayo na mag-art. So in a minute, so we are about to taste our pesto pasta. So one ingredient left, which is the parmesan. We're going to put the parmesan on top, then wait for a minute, and then boom! Okay, if you enjoy watching our cooking episode for today, don't forget to like, to subscribe, to share, pwede na rin mag-comment below. And that's all for today. Adios!